Alright, old Dell mouse. Still it's got its ball. So let's find out what's inside. I don't see any screws on this, so we're probably just gonna have to crack this open with the screwdriver. Anyway, heavy weighted ball, weighted obviously to stay down inside the hole. Anyway, alright, so let's see what we have here. Again, just like the 10 key, I'm not expecting too much in here. This is USB. In case you're wondering, it's not so old, it wasn't USB. So, I'm going to cut myself open doing this one day. Jeez, really? It's not supposed to be that difficult. You're probably watching this video laughing at me right now. I opened this thing and I figured out it was actually screwed together. I'm very irritated. No, not really. I'm breaking things. Oh, there was a screw underneath that. Oh, that's awesome. Anyhow, everything's been taken apart and destroyed. See, there's some things I just don't understand about the way these things are designed. You run this cable all the way through, you couldn't put it some, well, maybe not, I don't know. People that designed this are a lot smarter than me, so the scroll wheel, just like that, just a little bit. You can push it down too. Anyway, so let's see what we have here. Show you the directions. This looks like it's kept pretty clean for the most part. So that's good. So what we have here. Oh, don't need to take that out. Then all the important parts. Actually, that's a little bit more than I thought would have been in here. On the back of this. Switches. Does that come out? Imagine it would. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it doesn't come out, but it'll come off. Let's see if we can get this unplugged. Should just jam the screwdriver in that one too, huh? I'm not going to mess with this. I'm going to end up cutting myself with these screwdriver. So anyway, if you ever wonder what's inside that mouse, or what was inside that mouse, I doubt people really use these anymore. If you do, you're probably working for a large company that doesn't upgrade their hardware very much. Alright, there you go.